back to the channel. If this is your first time on my channel, a very big welcome to you. On this channel, I talk about crypto, stocks, passive income, and making money in general. If this sounds interesting to you, kindly click on that subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up. If you've been watching my video and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. It helps the YouTube algorithm. It helps YouTube push my videos for other people to watch and also benefit from it. But in today's video, we are going to be discussing how you can earn passive income and grow your crypto especially. For today, I'm going to be covering for Binance Exchange. I'll be covering for other exchanges in the near future. So if you know you have your coins on Binance and you've been holding for long, make sure you watch this video. If you know you own some crypto, not just on Binance, and you're going for long term, by long term I mean a month and above, this video would interest you because I would show you other ways you can earn passive income while holding for long. You will be increasing the quantity of your coins as you hold. If you're new to crypto and you're unsure of what coins to invest in and you think you don't have the emotional capacity to deal with the volatility of the crypto market, I would advise you just buy stable coins and do what I'll be showing you in a moment. In a layman's term, stablecoin is a type of cryptocurrency whose value is tied to an outside asset such as the US dollar or gold to stabilize the price. Some of the popular stablecoins are the Tether coin, popularly known as the USDT. We also have the DAI coin, the USD coin, and for Binance, we have the Binance USD coin as well. If you haven't registered on Binance, be sure to use the link in the description box as you're going to be getting 20% off your first purchase. Now let's head over to the Binance app to show you how you can make more money while holding your coin. Alright guys, so we're going to be making use of the Binance app, and I'm telling you, it's not different from the Binance website as well. So what we are going to do on Binance, we have what we call the Binance In. Binance In lets you choose the products that best suits your investment style, so you can just sit back and let your funds work for you. So this is what I'm doing. The coins that I know I'm not going to be needing in the near future, I just put it in one of these Binance In and then I let it grow for me. And the good thing about it is most of these Binance In products, you can actually withdraw your money whenever you want to. So since you're going to be leaving your money for long, why not just make extra money while holding? We're going to go to wallets for the mobile app, but for the website you're going to see finance, and then on finance you click on Binance In. But for the app you just go to wallets. But there's something I want to cover before we proceed. On Binance they actually always separate concerns. What I mean by separating concerns is they have different wallets for different features on the app, and then when you come to wallets, we have overview. Overview shows you the accumulated amount of money you have entirely on Binance. But if we check it, you can see that the overview here is 6,000, and then if you come to my spot, you can see 3,800, right? So this is just the money I have on spot, and then the overview, if you look down here, if we scroll down, you'll see my P2P wallet has 0.4, it has 41 cents, and then my Binance In has $2,211. So now anytime, even if you have like your margin and features and all of that, their wallets are always separated. That's one thing I love about Binance. So now we are going to be making use of the N. So we are going to scroll past. After P2P we have the N, and then when you come here and if you look down, you can see these byproducts. If you scroll down more, you will see the coins I have here, the BNB, the 1 inch, the bake, and all of that. So now we are going to click on the byproduct. When you click on byproduct, it's going to actually take us to a separate screen. And this separate screen here, you can see where Binance is telling us stable coins offer predictable returns for crypto temporarily locked up. New to crypto, start your crypto investment with stable coins. Like I mentioned earlier in the video, and just buy stable coins. You see that Binance here gives you 7% annual percentage yield. By APY here, what this APY here means is just the percentage rate reflecting the total amount of staking rewards projected to be earned over an annual period. And then you can see your USDT here, you have 7%. So maybe you have money in the bank that is not yielding anything for you, but you don't want to buy in crypto, maybe buy a coin that would later fall, and then you're unsure of how much you're going to make and all of that. You can just buy a stable coin if you put $3,000, you're most likely going to get that $3,000. So why not fix it here? They are offering you USDT for 7%. The thing is, they're actually different products and they have different, ways you can earn money from them. So the first one, we're going to be looking at the savings. You can see here that it will tell you benefit from competitive interest rates, stake and earn popular cryptocurrencies from BTC to BNB and more. And then you click on view more. When you click on view more, you can see that they have their flexible savings, right? They have their flexible savings, and it's just, what is flexible savings? Flexible saving lets you earn interest on your fund. It's really easy to use, and not surprisingly, it gives you a great flexibility. You can deposit your funds, earn interest, and redeem them at any time. So the good thing about this flexible savings is that you can always take them anytime you want. So if you're holding some of your money in your spot wallet, why not just deposit it into your flexible account savings? Since you can access it anytime, it's easy to make those funds work for you while they're not being used elsewhere. They pay you. The good thing about it, you actually see your interest daily. Let's say you fix it today, the interest starts counting the next day, and every day they remit your interest for you. Yeah, so it's very easy to use. What you just need to do is, for example, the FIL coin, very flexible. All you just need to do here is to click on this transfer. When we click on transfer, you put the amount of coin you want to invest in. So they even have the minimum and they also have the maximum. So the maximum you can do for this subscription is 1 million FIL coin. That's the FIL coin. So now once you just put in the amount you want to invest, say maybe for example 300, I know I don't have 300, right? You just click on I agree and then you transfer it. The money is there, and anytime you want to take it, you can always unstake it. For the locked savings, we have the one for, you have the USDT. So if you have a if you purchase the stable coin, all you just need to do is come to this locked savings, right? And then you select the one that works for you. Do you want to leave it for 7 days, 14 days, 30 days, or 90 days? So it means that you're not going to access this guy until that 90, until maybe if you choose 90 days, you're not going to be able to access it until that 90 day. So you can buy the USDT coin or the BUSD coin. These are the stable coins they have, and you can just put in this thing here, guys, and make extra money for yourself. Leave this, if you come here, you can see all my holdings. You can see that I staked my BNB. You can see that I staked 1 inch. I staked my bake. So now we are going to go to the second one, which is the locked staking. But this locked staking is only for proof of stake coins. So for locked staking, you can only put, just by simply, holding your proof of stake coins in your spot wallet, you can just move these proof of stake coins from your spot wallet to this lock staking products they have. If you commit your proof of stake coins to be locked for periods ranging from 7 to 90 days, you can earn higher rewards. So when we click on this view more for proof of stake coins, you can see some of the coins here. So if you have these coins, like for example, I put my 1 inch, I locked it up for 30 days. I put my 1 inch here, I also locked up. So, and the thing about these guys though is that most times they have limited offers. So if you can see, for example, this RAMP coin for 30 days duration is sold out. If you come for 60 days as well, it's sold out, and the 90 days is sold out. So you have to really be always time these things, because once they release it, guys, a lot of people actually rush it. So if you have your 1 inch coin, you can always stake it. If you have your TVK coin, you can stake it. It's very simple. You click on the particular duration you want. If it's 30, we click on stake now, and then we select the period we want, and then you put in the amount you want to lock in. Say for example, I want to lock in 60 of TVK coin, which I don't have, and then you agree to it, and then you click on confirm purchase. One good thing, like I've always said about this, is the fact that you actually see your interest from the next day. So imagine this coin giving you 15% per annum, guys. Is just good. You earn extra coins while at it. That's just what I see it as. And then we have the DeFi staking, right? Then yeah, we even have Link. Link is already sold out. Most of these things, people actually rush it. So you can just take advantage of these ones. You can lock up your USDT, guys, and earn 10%. If you buy $10,000 worth of USDT, you're most likely going to cash out $10,000 worth of USDT, because it's stable, right? So why not just move it, and then if it's in your spot wallet, you can just move it and lock it up here and earn 10% per annum, right? So that is just what I want to show you. So now if we move to the third one which they have, which is the BNB Vote, when we click on more, for this BNB Vote, it's going to tell you, as a BNB yield aggregator, BNB Vote will combine flexible savings, BNB DeFi staking, and launch pool to give you the best, APY returns. So like here now, I staked my 1.6 I staked 1.6 BNB, and then you can see my rewards here. So one thing about this BNB Vault is that you can always unstake your coins. So if you want to unstake it after staking it, you just click on unstake, but I don't want to unstake my coins, right? So you just click on the unstake coins and you can unstake your coin. And the thing about this staking of this BNB Vote is that you can actually join a launch pool. So let's say, for example, this TLM. I remember when they had TLM before the launching and all of that. With this, you can actually stake a particular quantity of your BNB, right? When you stake that particular quantity of your BNB, and let's say they launched like for example this TLM, you can earn that particular coin there, that project they are launching. You can earn it while staking your BNB. And the thing about it is you can always unstake. As you can see here now, let's say for example tomorrow this TLM turns to maybe $100, who knows. I've earned 8.9 TLM, right? That's automatically $800 for not doing anything, for just taking my coin. So if you can just take advantage of all these options that Binance is giving, if you can even see here, for example, you can see that this BNB I've already made 0.0009. I know it's insignificant right now, but it's better than nothing. I know, like, if I leave it for a longer time, it will, it can keep growing and growing and growing. I'm not using the coin right now. I'm not using it for anything, so why not just make extra money by the side? So now when we move from this BNB Vote and then we go to the last one, which is their Ethereum staking. When we go to this Ethereum staking and then we click on view more, you can see here that for you to be able to, I don't know if you know about the Ethereum 2.0. I talked about it briefly in my video when the video I shot about Ethereum moving to 10K soon. I talked about it a little bit, but I'm going to create a full detailed video to show you what the Ethereum 2.0 is. So if you have Ethereum, from what I showed you guys before, you see that you saw that we could actually earn 4 to 4% to 20% per annum if you stake your Ethereum. So you can stake your Ethereum here and still make more money. So when you click on stake now, it's going to ask you, how many Ethereum you want to stake. But then you have to, if you can see here, we have a note that your staked ETH will be locked within the first stage of the Ethereum 2.0 upgrade. During this lockup period, your staked Ethereum cannot be redeemed. So if you have Ethereum they're not going to be needing in the near future, you can stake your Ethereum and make a lot of money from it. So if you have coins that you've been holding for a long time, and the thing is, it's not just Binance. I'm going to be also covering for Crypto.com, KuCoin, all these most of these exchanges, they have these products. I know a lot of people are not aware of this, so I'm going to make sure to bring all those information to you. You can only access this if you're subscribed to my channel. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and then turn on your notification to be able to get this information. So how do I see the coins I've staked and all of that? So if you look here, you can see that it's giving me the total of money I have on my Binance end, and then you can see the relative gain you made. You see the flexible one, the fixed. Like, they will just list these different things that you're holding, and then they can also show you all your coins. You can see all the coins, and then if you come and click on this, you can switch to Bitcoin to see the value in Bitcoin. You can switch to see the value in dollars, and then you can see the history here. So you can see for redemption, I've not collected anyone. You can see your interest. So this is for flexible savings. So if you click on this drop down on this flexible savings, then let's say for example we go for locked staking, and then if you go for locked staking and you go for interest, you can see that the coins I locked up, you can see my interest here, guys. You can see that every day you can see all the, you can see, sorry, I'm going to be showing this. You can see all the interest you have made so far on Binance, and you can even change the dates and say you want to see from maybe March to May. It will show you all of that. So I just want you guys to make money. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, If this is something you've never seen and you're wild about it, I'm going to be bringing amazing contents to you. If you want me to cover any video, do make sure to leave it in the comment section. I always reply every single person that comments on my channel. So whatever it is you want me to talk about or you want me to explain for you, please go ahead and leave it in the comment section and I'm going to tackle it for you guys. Thank you so much for always watching. Thank you for liking and thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't, thank you for subscribing now. I'm very grateful to you and I will see you in my next video, guys. Thank you guys and bye.